Welcome to our channel Easy BBA, and today's topic is Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. This theory was introduced by the Abraham Maslow. He was a psychiatrist. It is a theory of psychology written in his paper, A Theory of Human Motivation in Psychological Review in 1943. It is a part of human motivation. It is a five-stage pyramid that a person attempts to satisfy the basic needs before satisfying the high-level needs. As the name shows, this theory is all about the needs. So we will see what is need. Need are something that are essential for an individual to live a good and healthy life. Need consists of two types. Number one, objective physical needs, that includes food, drink, shelter, and second one is subjective psychological needs, that includes social needs, self-esteem, and self-actualization. Now this is the hierarchy of needs theory that consists of five stages, and it starts from the very basic need, the physiological needs, and then the safety, love, belonging, also called the social needs, self-esteem, and the last one is the self-actualization. It is a Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Now we will discuss these stages one by one. Number one is the physiological needs. It is the very basic need. If it is not met, a human body can't function. It includes food, drink, shelter, sex, and other physical requirements. If this stage of human need can't complete, no one can jump into second or other needs. If an individual tries to go upward without the completion of first need, then he will stuck in this pyramid and don't make any progress. Now, the physiological need practicing management. A manager or management should provide lunch breaks, provide rest breaks to employees, and good earning that is sufficient to purchase a good and healthy life. Second one is the safety needs. Now, once the physiological needs are met, next need will take over. A person needs for security, protection from physical and emotional harm, and the assurance that the physical needs will continue to be met. It also includes job security, financial conditions, salary for an employee, safety at workplace. Safety needs in management. A manager should provide safe working environment to his employees, provide good wages, salary, and other bonuses, provide extra salary for extra working hours, provide job security, provide retirement benefit. And the third one is social needs, needs for affection, belongingness, acceptance, and friendship. Need to love and be loved by others. It is very important. Encourage social interaction and create team spirit. Social needs in management. Basically, this need is very important in management or in company because it is smart to work in a group. So a manager should create sense of community, should create team-based projects, organize social business events. Next one, esteem needs. Needs to be respected by others and in turn respect them. Needs for self-respect, autonomy, achievements called internal esteem. Needs for status recognition, attention called external esteem. Esteem needs in management. Recognize achievement for employees. Reward your employees for best performance. Appreciate and value your employees. Make designation by their performance. The last one is the self-actualization. Basically, it is a need for growth, achieving one's potential, self-fulfillment, and the drive to become what one is capable of becoming, and the need to identify passion and make goal. Self-actualization in management. A manager should provide your employees challenge because challenge is very attractive, and attractive things are very charming, and opportunity to reach their goals. Now we see managers using hierarchy Maslow's hierarchy to motivate employees do things to satisfy employees' needs. A manager should see that his employee is not working. Why his employee is not working? He should notice, he or she should notice that his employee is stuck in this hierarchy needs. If his or her employee is stuck in this need, then manager should help his employees to move upward in this hierarchy. So hierarchy need this Maslow's hierarchy need is very important in any organization